What is up? What is up? It's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Billy of Arvada, Colorado. I'm having a very bad experience with my insurance company after filing a claim for wind damage to my roof shingles. My claim was denied on a 27-year-old roof after the wind had blown off several shingles. I had my contractor take shingle samples and verify there is no match for these shingles after 27 years because they are discontinued, yet the insurance company wants the roof repaired. The repair that the insurance company has quoted wasn't more than my deductible, of course, and so the insurance company wouldn't be on the hook for any costs, right? Now, the insurance company wants to take their own shingle sample to test and match for the shingle itself, but also delaying this claim yet again. Winter will be here soon, so insurance company needs to do what they're obligated to do because I'm not going away. That's awesome. So the best thing you can do is never stop. Never stop fighting the insurance company for being unfair, because that is what they're expecting you to do. That, they know the majority of people pushed up against that, and you keep continuing to push the insurance company and push the insurance company, and they're just like, we're not going, we're not moving, we're not gonna do it, we're not gonna budge. And most people are like, oh, fine, I guess I'll just give up. No, they win. If you have the coverage in your policy for the damage that has occurred to your property and the insurance company's not paying, contact us today. Contact us today. This is what we do, right? The insurance company doesn't pay the claim fairly or fully or quickly enough. People contact us because they want to make sure that their property is to pre-loss condition as the policy, the premiums that you pay every month or every year pays for the coverage that's within this policy, right? And if you have the coverage, the insurance company should pay fully, fairly, quickly, quick-ish, right? So ultimately the thing is, if you're running into a situation where the insurance company is not paying you fairly or fully, contact us today. This is the thing. The sooner you contact us, the better it is, because the more options you have. Sometimes there are running timelines and clocks within the policy that if you run past it and it expires, you lose coverage. You lose benefits under the policy. Also, sometimes it's a state statute that if you let it go too long, you lose coverage. You now are paying a premium for coverage that you thought you had that now has expired because you waited too long. So contact us today, BellatorClaims.com.